Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about going paperless. Yes, no more printing, scanning or mailing documents. If you want to sign and share files online, there is a tool called QuickSigner and it's offering a lifetime deal right now on AppSumo. So don't forget to check the description for the link and updated deal information. It might end anytime, so I will keep it fresh for you. Now let's begin. What is QuickSigner? QuickSigner helps you to sign documents online. You can upload a PDF, add your name and add a signature and send it. All from your computer or phone, no printer needed. It's great for freelancers, business owners, agencies, HR teams, anyone who working online. You can sign contracts, invoices, agreements and many more. And it's very quick and legal. It also lets you invite others to sign. So if you and client need to sign something, you just send them the link and they sign it on their phone or laptop. Now the question is it safe? Yes. QuickSigner uses secure encryption, so your files are protected. You also get a signing log that shows who signed and when. That's useful for legal work. Now, why is this deal important? Because most online signing tools charge you every month, but QuickSigner gives you lifetime access and it's ongoing on AppSumo. You can pay once and you can use it forever. So is it beginner friendly? Totally. It takes just a few minutes to upload and sign. No setup needed, no extra tools. If you are tired of printing or scanning, or if you want your business to go 100% digital, this tool is must have. Check the description below to get the latest information and a lifetime deal link. If this video helped you, give the video like and drop a comment and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.